Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C face serum. First, always begin with a freshly cleansed face. This ensures your skin is ready to absorb all the good stuff. Next, dispense about 3 to 5 drops of your vitamin C serum onto your fingertips. Gently pat the serum evenly across your face and neck. Make sure to use light, upward motions to help it absorb fully into your skin. This simple step prepares your skin for the rest of your routine. The best time to apply your vitamin C serum is in the morning, right after cleansing and toning. This allows it to work throughout the day, offering antioxidant protection. After your serum has absorbed, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. Don't forget to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Remember, the general rule for layering skincare products is to go from the thinnest consistency to the thickest for optimal absorption. Vitamin C serum offers fantastic benefits for your skin. It's known for brightening your complexion, reducing the appearance of dark spots, and evening out skin tone. Plus, it provides powerful antioxidant protection against environmental stressors. To keep your serum effective, proper storage is key. Always store your vitamin C serum in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat. This helps maintain its potency and prevents oxidation, ensuring you get the most out of every drop. When introducing vitamin C serum, especially if you have sensitive skin, consider starting with a lower concentration, perhaps around 10%. It's always a good idea to perform a patch test on a small area of your skin first to check for any adverse reactions. If you experience any redness, itching, or discomfort, discontinue use immediately. Listen to your skin and gradually increase the concentration as your skin adjusts. Consistency is key for seeing the best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.